What's good, my people, my ninjas, my YouTube family? Thank you so much for stopping by this channel. And if you're into making money online, this is the place to be. We are going to be looking at this online job for a senior accountant at SaaS Academy. If you don't know what SaaS means, it's software as a service, my bad. Software as a service academy. And jumping into the video, if you want to show some love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share so that you are always in the loop on the next best thing to make money online. Guys, this is an international role, and I specifically looked for one of these because it says international anywhere. I blundered a bit in the previous video, right? But this isn't a USA, Canada thing. This is completely anywhere, 100% remote. If you live in Europe, if you live in Asia, if you live in Africa, if you live in North or South America, the Caribbean, anywhere in between, as long as you have the certification, the qualification, reliable internet and anything, you can apply for this. 100% remote. Okay? Now, to be a senior accountant at SaaS Academy, they need you to be a finance whiz. So are you a finance whiz? Someone with a knack for organization, keen attention to detail, and are looking to work with a high-performing team. If you are, perfect, read on. Who they are. Now, Dan Martell is an award-winning entrepreneur and investor who has founded multiple companies. He was named Canada's top angel investor, and he's completed over 40 plus investments with amazing companies like Udemy, Intercom, and Unbounce, just to name a few. The Dan Martell SaaS Academy team is on a mission to help software as a service companies grow to new heights through world-class coaching and training. And if you're interested in the company, want to read more about their background, you click that link as I just did, and it will take you to Dan Martell's website. Okay. We may continue and come back to this page. My internet has been a little sick lately and it's been moving a little slowly. So while that loads, we'll go back to the lead. Now, what's the gig? Well, we're looking for a top level staff or senior accountant that is ready to take their financial chops on the road with the ability to work and live anywhere in the world. Who exactly are we looking for? Well, in short, does this sound like you? Someone that is a or an analyzer, someone with high standards, superb attention to detail, and a disciplined personality. A scholar. Accuracy is your middle name, and you're always seeking to get things done the right way. Problem solver. When thwarted by adversity, how do you react? How do you show what you're made of to figure it out? Now, this is what you need to do or be in order to get accepted. So, what's the minimum that you need to have? 2+ years as a CPA or CA in a staff accountant role, or having worked as a senior accountant. A proven track record of success in your ability to get things done. A keen sense on new strategies and how the finance or accounting worlds evolve. Confidence in your ability to analyze and manipulate large data sets. So as the absolute perfect candidate, you have Canadian accounting experience. Hey, that's what they want, okay? Including collection and remittance of HST and administering Canadian payroll. Now, this is because, well, Dan Martell is actually Canadian and most of his business is in Canada. Alright, so this is him. Okay, this is his website, so you can learn more about him and what he does. Alright, he's been a coach to over 600 plus ambitious SaaS founders. ClickFunnels, I use ClickFunnels. Proposify, never heard of them, but I'm sure they're big. Otherwise, they wouldn't have ended up here. Carrot, Time Doctor, Presley, Agora posts. All right. So maybe if you're watching this, you've seen these companies somewhere around. Well, Dan Martell has helped these companies become the big things. All right. So he will help you accelerate your SaaS growth, free SaaS founder community, and the growth stacking show, which seems to be a podcast. All right. So today, hi, serial entrepreneur, husband, athlete. Hi, my name is Dan Martell. Today I'm an award-winning Canadian entrepreneur, investor, and coach to over 600 plus SaaS founders, including clients like ClickFunnels, ProPusify, and Carrot. But life isn't always this way. When I was there's his story. All right. So learn more about him and his company so that when you go to do any interviews, you have more than just your resume. Okay, so that's why they want someone with Canadian accounting experience. Doesn't mean you're Canadian, doesn't mean you're from Canada. You just want to have some Canadian accounting experience. Okay, experience working for a subscription-based business, and you're well versed in related metrics or KPIs, key performance indices. Financial reporting and financial planning and analysis experience, and extreme comfort in reporting financial reporting and projections to entire company. So presentations and stuff like that is pretty much what they're saying. You know financial reporting and you can present these reports to people. Cool. A combination of public accounting and private industry experience. Flexible work schedules and have experience delivering online. Personal development built into your day, week, and year. So, one of the books I've been reading, I've actually gone through it twice, is You Were Born Rich. Great book. Great book. Okay. In fact, if you've never heard of it, it was written by Bob Proctor. I will do my best to leave. I'll do my best to leave a link in the description below so that you can get a free ebook, free copy. It's completely free, and that's how I actually came across it. It was dangling before me, and I decided I'm going to read it and I'm going to change my life, and it's been helping me tremendously. It has helped me to change a lot of the ways I think about money, and more importantly, it's helped me to change the way I think about myself and how I relate to money. Things like, people think that it takes money to make money, and people think that money is hard to earn. Honestly, money is really easy to make. It's really easy to earn. Okay? And if you walk around with the mindset that money is hard to earn, that's what will happen. If you think money is easy to earn, that's what will happen. But it's not at just me thinking it's easy. It's at a deeper core level. Right? Remember the saying, as a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. And there's a book written by Alan Watts. No, not Alan Watts. It's called As a Man Thinketh by, I think it's James Allen. Great book. As a Man Thinketh by James Allen. If that's, you can go ahead and read that book as well. This one. As a Man Thinketh by James Allen. Okay? So, those are the two books that are outstanding to me. Well, two of the several books that are outstanding to me. Alright, so look into those, change your mindset. You will thank me, you will thank Bob Proctor, you will thank James Allen for them writing these books. Now, they want you to have a serious growth mindset, which is linked to personal development built into your day, week, and year. And that's why I mentioned those books. Now, hands-on experience with tools like G Suite, Xero, HubSpot, Slack, Zoom, etc. Excellent organizational and time management skills. incredible communication and interpersonal skills, extremely resourceful and independent, experience tracking revenue and related expenses across multiple product lines and various departments with precise attention to detail. So if this is something that you like and you like what you see, if you're thinking this is totally me, then be sure to apply below by clicking this link. Even if you're thinking this definitely could be me, apply below anyways. We love diverse and non-traditional backgrounds. To ensure that you've read the whole ad, please sneak the word mountain. And this is something that they use to weed people out. So I'm not sure if they're going to pull up your resume and stuff and type in mountain to search, and if they don't find it, they ditch it. Whatever the case may be, make sure, be certain that somewhere in your application, and listen to me clearly, or listen to me keenly, ensure that you sneak the word mountain somewhere into your application. You don't expect to hear from them. Now, if you want to know what their hiring process is like, click that link, this highlighted blue section, and see what the steps are for our hiring process and the benefits we offer. Okay, so it's 100% remote. They offer benefits. Click this link if you are senior accountant material, and you can be working with one of the leading names in the SaaS game. A lot of the multi-million-dollar, billion-dollar companies out there have worked with Dan Martell, as you can see from his website. So guys, don't rest on your laurels. All these companies here once started as an idea. You have the idea that you can be a senior accountant for a company of this magnitude, go right ahead. Another thing, if you can have the idea that you can be a business owner as well, then click the links in the description below. Alright? These links will teach you how to create your own online business, just as how these guys created their own businesses. You can create your own low-key online business from home, making thousands of dollars online, being able to be free from the 9 to 5, and being able to live the life of your dreams. Here's the thing, a 9 to 5 is not bad, it's actually good, okay? But if it's something you want to do, great. However, if it's not something you want to do and you're busting your butt because you have to, then something is wrong. One thing I've learned is everyone was given the freedom to choose. And if you have to do something, it means that your choices were taken away. Okay? That's why kidnapping is bad, because someone was taken away against their will. That's why abductions are bad. That's why robberies are bad, because you're taking something that isn't yours forcefully. The person didn't freely, of his own will and choice, give it to you. And so there are many things that are robbing you, not necessarily of happiness, not necessarily of your clothes or shoes, but of your time. So, is working for a company bad? No. Okay? Now, if it's something you want to do, you've always wanted to do this, and I'm not saying it has to be at that extent, but if this is something you want to do, this is what you love, and great. Okay? If it's not something you want to do, but then you're using it as a stepping stone, great. Many people have goals and dreams, and once they hit their goals, then they start to think, okay, what's next? And the 9 to 5 was a means to an end. And once they've gone to that end, okay, it was nice knowing you, no hard feelings, thank you for everything, and I've met my goal and I'm on to my next adventure. Everybody, especially companies, are looking for bettering themselves. Every company wants to increase their revenue. Every company wants to do better than they did the previous year. Okay? There's nothing wrong with that. Right? However, if you're not in line with their standards or you're acting in a way that is not in line with their values, they're not going to be afraid to let you go and find people who will. And so it's important that you have values and standards for your life as well. And if something fits in that value and standard, great. If it doesn't, why do you keep it? So again, jobs are good, but there's better. Well, yeah, there is. If you're working a job and you're hell-bent that this is what you want to do, okay. If you're working a job and you have to or else you won't get paid, that's a sucky way to live. And so I think that when you work at a company, the best thing is to have other streams of income. Okay? The links in the description below take you to other streams of income that can fund your life while you're doing this thing, if this is what you want to do. And if one day you decide that this isn't it for you, or if one day you decide that you're not into it anymore, okay, you aren't doing it for the money necessarily, and you have other sources of income to back you, to allow you to do the things you want to do. And honestly, life is meant to be lived, but not many people are actually fully living with purpose. Not everybody is doing the things they want to do every single day. They do what they have to do, and then when they look at when they reach the end of their lives, they look back thinking they didn't really live. Click the links in the description below. Create businesses that will help you live the life of your dreams. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for listening to my rant. Alright? And thank you so much for subscribing, hitting the notification bell, liking, commenting, and sharing. Let me know where you're watching from. Let me know what you think about what I've said. Let me know all the success you've had with getting through with jobs or ways of earning money that you've learned from on this channel. Guys, thank you so much for all your support, for all your subscriptions, for all your likes and comments. I appreciate you guys. Continue to stay safe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.